Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, this is Samsung brand 400 liter refrigerator, digital inverter, 10-year warranty, compressor. This refrigerator actually not getting cool at all. That's mean compressor not getting start. After giving power, it's only the internally we can hear the noise. That's mean fan motor working, freezer fan only, but compressor is not working. Because of that, we have to repair. I have to repair now. I will show you how to repair. What I'm going to do that, and we will go to the next step. I already given power connection. You can see here. Here the LED, the refrigerator lights are okay working. Also, you can hear the noise. You can hear the noise. Freezer fan also working. But the thing is, it's not getting cool. That's when we have to check the compressor side, and we will check the compressor. Now dear friends, this is the problem. Actually compressor not getting start. Because of that, it's not totally it's dead. Actually that's mean no more cool. That means not making cool. Now we have to check the compressor continuity. Also we will check the here two PCB power control box. Now I will disconnect the power first. After that we can check. I will remove here control board cover. That means it should be two control board. One is main control board, other one is inverter control board. Now we can remove here cover. We can take it out. You can see dear friends, this is the main control board. This is inverter PCB. Now I will give the power connection again. We can check. Yes dear, I already given power connection. I can hear the noise. I will disconnect the sensor. Light will blink here. After disconnecting, that's mean power coming to here. After disconnecting room sensor, this lights already got start to blink. Now I will fix again. That's mean this control board is okay, but the problem this one compressor not getting start. We will remove the continuity, the connections, and I will reconnect again. I'm not hearing any relay catching or something, but anyway we will disconnect again power. We will remove the, I already disconnect the power. I'm going to remove the control board here, only the inverter, but this one is no any issue. We can take it out like that. Here look. Yes dear, you can see here. You can see here it is already shorted. That means you can see here this control board already short. Yes dear, you can see here this IC already gone. It is shorted already. The reason is actually it's difficult to say. Maybe some insects gone here and there or something. Anyway, we will check the compressor continuity. If it is compressor shorted, also it's happening. This is IC already gone. I think this capacitor also we have to replace. Otherwise whole board we have to replace. Anyway, we will check the compressor. I will disconnect the terminal cup here. Also, I can take. Now I already remove here. Now you can check, dear friends. This is overload protector. Also here connector. This one not the PTC. This one only overload protector. We will check the overload. Overload protector is okay. No any issue. Now we will check the compressor continuity. If it is compressor short with the body, it's happening like that. We can check terminal one by one. The terminals are okay, no any issue. Now we will check the continuity here. Yes, dear, it's showing continuity 15 ohms. The compressor is okay. The all three terminals are showing as same 15 ohms. That's mean compressor is okay. Now again I will fix. Now we have to repair the control board, inverter control board. First we will replace this IC. After that we will check if it is working or not. We have to check here this capacitor also we can check. This capacitor we have to check. Capacitor is okay. Yes dear, no issue. Yes, capacitor is okay. But the thing is, this IC we are not able to replace, but any other we can replace. This one anyway you can check, dear friends. This IC already gone. We will do one thing, we will replace this one and we will check if it is working or not. If it is working, okay, but if not working, we have to check everything. The fuse also okay. Yes dear, I already removed. This is I already removed. Now I'm going to fix new one. The same one I'm going to fix this IC. You can see this one. After replacing, we will check it's with working or not. This is the new one. This is damaged one. Which is the defect IC. Now we can check it is whether working or not. Now we will check with the refrigerator it's working or not. Yes dear, we will give the connections now. We will fix here. Now it's okay, and also I will give the connection. If it is okay, it's light. This light should blink. It will come red light here. Also, it should light blink. I will give the connection now. Just here, I already given connections. Yes dear, you can see the light. Now should run the compressor. I will remove here the sensor light also, sensor connection, room sensor. Yes dear, it is, you can see the light. I will fix again. Now compressor should run. Yes my dear, compressor is running. My job already success. Only the shorted because the something insects, some cockroaches, maybe might they go on in that area because of that is shorted. Now you can see the problem. Now it is already resolved. Now we can remove the evaporator side. We have to check the heater. That one also I having one doubt. If it is heater shorted, at that time also it's happening like that. Anyway, if it is heater defect, actually main control board having a problem. But anyway, we will check. We'll remove this part here. We can remove. Just I remove already. I will remove the connector here. Fan motor connector I removed already. Now you can see here, it is okay, it is compressor working. It's forming ice here. Now we can check the heater connection. Just here, one side heater connection is this one, other one this brown. Now we can check, no need to remove. Just simply I have to check the heater connection only. Yes dear, you can see heater is okay. No any shortage, nothing. You can see here. Now my job already completed. Now my job already completed. Just simply I replace the inverter PCB IC only. Already success. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.